Sanibonani to Ntombi level up. My name is Tshego Gaelae. I am an attorney. I am a corporate girly, and I am the current reigning Mrs. World. Now, the three things that I think have contributed to me getting to where I am currently. In no particular order. In no particular order. I think that I'm generally disciplined, and discipline is necessary, I think, for you to get stuff done. You need to get stuff done, and you need discipline in order to be able to get stuff done. The second thing I think is that I think I'm authentic. I'm very comfortable in my own skin. I'm very proud of being in my own skin, and I love to showcase the person that I am, my country, authentically so. So, authenticity definitely. The third thing I think that the third thing that I think has gotten me to where I am is definitely there's so many to choose from. I'm trying to choose one. Is to have a teachable spirit. I think that it's important to have a teachable spirit because at no point in life will we know everything. And having a teachable spirit helps you to remember to be humble. It reminds you rather to be within spaces where you can learn and can grow. So definitely keep a teachable spirit.